are acting together for a common purpose. So we're going to do a couple of examples of cooperation. I spilled some toys.
Rock. 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock, we're gonna rock. Around, rock, you guys,
Hey, Susie, what's your genre?
Can you guess?
Okay, rock and roll. Really? I've got a rock. That sucker doesn't roll.
Hang with me, Rosie. Goodness. Don't know much about history. Don't know much biology. Don't know much about a science book. Don't know much about the French I took. But I do know that I love you. And I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this would be.
Okay, you don't know much about this? Well, an astronaut stopping by a planet on a snowy evening. Which world this is, I do not know. It's in our solar system, though. I'm thinking that it might be Mars because it has that reddish color. But you know, it could be Venus, and if that's true, then just between us might be wise to leave before any locals might have seen us. Could be Pluto, might be Neptune. Don't they have more than one moon? I really need atom oxygen. I better figure this out soon. Yes, space is lovely, dark, and deep. For one mistake, I now do weep. In science class, I was asleep. In science class, you were asleep. So sorry, Mrs. Dean.
No, sorry, Mrs. Dean. Oh, boo. Well, here's another one. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Crying all the time, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Crying all the time, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Know that one?
I got a harebrained idea. And I think I have a buddy poem to go with it.
I don't think she gets it.
Runny Babbitt. Runny's petting rabbits. Runny lit to the white ellie, and there were bunches of hooks, fifth grade hooks, biography books, and lots of boring scoops. He looked them over one by one, and guess which one he took? A Brian scoop? A poetry hook? Oh no, a balmy cook.
Oh, I love that one. Come on, I'll teach you the dance. Come on.
Okay, my students, showcase students, are Abby Arabian. Abby is a sweet, kind-hearted girl. She's a hard worker and comes with a smile and a willingness to learn. She is becoming a great reader. Cooper. Cooper has a great imagination. He loves to write and draw. He has some great journal stories. He's also becoming a wonderful reader. Abby Morgan. Abby has made great strides this year. She's working hard on reading. Abby is a great helper and loves to play with everyone.
Okay, my first one is Abby Jones. Abby has a smile that brightens our class every day. Abby's working hard to become a great reader, and I enjoy watching her get excited about learning. Good job, Abby. And Eddie Wright. Eddie is a puzzle master. He has done every puzzle in our class. Eddie is a good problem solver, and he often has creative solutions. Good job, Eddie. Bailey Summer. Bailey is an exceptional student, and she is one of my best helpers. Bailey is reading everything, and she does beautiful work. Good job, Bailey. Grayson White. Grayson is an outstanding student, and she comes in every day with a smile. Grayson is reading beautifully, and I enjoy hearing her unique ideas. Good job, Grayson. And for no pink slips and bus ride-ups, my class may stand up.
And all of my classmates stand up.
And for our celebration, we're going to do the kitty cat. So turn around and look at your parents. We're going to do 3 licks, 2 meows, and a perfect on 3. 1, 2, 3. Meow. Meow. Purr.